Hello everyone. This is Yuki from TEMAX Hardware. It's my first time to make a live, so to thanks all for support us. We provide all samples free today. This is our patent model, double soft close sliding door roller. My manager Aaron will introduce this model for you.
Welcome to TEMAX live room. Okay, let's start. We'll introduce our soft close sliding door system. And this is glass door, this is wood door. We will show you later how can you install, how can you use this double soft slider system. Okay, so many years ago we have the only single sliding door soft system. This is a single, only one soft close system. But now we are with the new design is double soft. You can see this is very different. If you use the old type, the single one, you must be used the two pieces in the sliding door. And two pieces sliding door system is the close, the price is high. This is number one. It's two. It's install. It's a very trouble. It's trouble. It's used so many times. It's not faster. If you use the one double soft close system, it's double soft. It's left and right. Only one piece is finished. Okay. So here use the small size the sliding door. The mini size is 1515 millimeter. The door size. Okay. But this single one use the 1 meter. The door size weight. Okay. Okay. We will show you our is so many types sliding door system. Yes. And then okay, we will have a new products, new design. You can follow us TEMAX. Yeah, this is only as a 4 type. Okay, we will introduce this one. This one our is best sales one. Yeah, you can see the rail, and this is sliding door system. This is small door rail. Okay, and then this is a clip on the plate. This is an easy clip the plate. This is L type. But I think this one is very famous in China's market, and the global market is use this one is enough. Okay, this is a stop. Use the door up, down. And then inside with the ball bearing. Yes, we have the single one and the double one. Yeah, this is a door stop. And then this is butter. This is our old type butter. You must be installed this way. This is old type. This is our new one. Yeah, and the left and right. Okay, no problem. You can install this way or this way is okay, no problem. Okay, this is our updater, which this one, and then this is sliding. This is slide. This is slider. This is use the install the wall. Okay, you can say use the wall. You must be use this hanger. This one. Yeah, this one. And then sometimes, for example, our is low model. You use the top install. Yes, no need this one. Okay, and then we have to use the wall and use the top. It's okay, no problem. And then we have to use the wall. Same the heat here. Then with the cover. Yeah, and then this is pesticle cover. So it's install. You can not see the rail inside here. It's a very frame. You can try again. You can see. Yeah, same this one. You can use the wall. It's very nice. Yeah. Sometimes you need use the wall. Sometimes use the top. Okay. And then let me introduce. This is glass door. Hello everyone. Welcome. If you're interested in this double soft sliding door system, you can follow us TEMAX. I'm TEMAX Aaron. Welcome to our live room. Okay. This is a glass door, and then only this clip is different. The inside the sliding door system is same. This technique we have the 10 millimeter to 12 millimeter, and the 15 millimeter is okay. Yeah, and then this is 12 millimeter the thickness. Okay, you can see this is a slider. Okay, here soft close, and then this one also soft close system. And then we will see that here, only down here, only this way, stopper here. Yeah, no need the up slide, no need the down slide, no need the down slide. Usually, we use the sliding door, we have the up slide, up slide. If you use the up slider, you can so easy, the hand. Yeah, not an easy pass. The people not easy to pass. But this system no need the down slide, no need down slide. Only this is okay. Only this is okay. And then if use the 1 year and the 2 years down slider, maybe something inside here you must clear. If not clear, it's some noisy and then it's not good use. And our double soft close system no need use the up down slider, no need down slider. And then so people is so easy pass this door. And then this first one. And two is this is a soft close system. Yeah, if you're in the house, some children and some old people, it's safe. It's safe because it's not easy clip the hand, not easy clip the hand. Okay, and then sometimes used so many years, you know the door is the size is different. It's used 2 years, 3 years. The door size is some different. So the door maybe not close is not very good close. If we use the soft closing system, yeah, the door is not easy recover here, not easy recover here. So this is second. And then this use the wood door. Yeah, it's all wood door. Our wood door thickness is 13 millimeter. It's also is only the fitting is different. You can change the other fitting. You can use a wood door. Use the glass door. Use the glass clip. Use a wood fitting. You use a wood door. Okay, and then so this double soft is a minimum size. This is 1515 meter. Yeah, it's a small size. We have the loading weight is 14 kilo to 114 kilo. It's okay. If our only this system is different, so this 14 kilo and 114 kilo. This is okay, no problem. And then our is this system. So maybe if you install here, use the 10 minutes. It's a finish. So easy. Why? Because our is a system. This system is so easy install. So easy install. Maybe next time we will introduce is the install the how can install this sliding door system. But this one is a good use. The hospital, the high school, and something is very good. Yeah, and we can use the glass door and the wood door. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Yes. Okay. Maybe next part we introduce the sliding door, the system, the other information. If you're interested in TEMAX hardware, you can follow us. Welcome to our TEMAX live room. Yeah. Okay. This part is finished. Maybe next part will give you more information. See you again. See you later.
Wow, thanks for Aaron. It's really professional introduction. He has 20 years experience in this industry and good at developing new products. So for our double soft close sliding door roller, it's developed and designed by Aaron. It's very cool model. It replaced the old style in the market and becomes a better choice for all people. So, anyone have question about this model? This one? Let me see. If you have any question, you can leave a message and I can reply you and explain more details to you. Okay, thank you. we have many free sample today. So if you need samples, you can check our free sample list. Please show our free sample 1, 2, 3, and yeah, show our free sample. Okay. If you need others, please leave a message, and we will check and arrange to you. Okay. Let's introduce more details to you. For this model, it's double soft close. I show the old one. Yeah, this one you can see. This one is single soft close, and this one is double soft close developed by us. And you can see this two clip and this one. It's longer than us. And if you have a small door, it's better to choose ours. We have two models for these products. This is 4-roller for small door about 500 mm, and this one is for more 50 mm. So if you have wooden door is small, it's the best choice to choose us. And if you have glass door, it's okay, but the minimum of the width at least 600. Okay. Now, how to confirm our quality? You can see the SGS test. It passed SGS test about 80,000 circles. You can see. Show SGS test, please. Yes, pass SGS test about 80,000. But we also test by ourselves. After 100,000 circles, it's still good. So it's easy for us and have longer service life. Let's check some details about the details part. Okay. As you can see, the roller, you can see, the roller is stainless steel 201, and the revert is stainless steel 2012, and also, okay, also the plate. The plate is stainless steel 2012, and for all these things is anti-water and anti-dust. This is the cover, stainless steel cover. We show our common packing for you. This is our common packing. Yes, one set in white inner box, and everyone has their own bag. Now we check the stopper to you. The stopper it's very smooth because there are bearing inside. We have some cheaper one. This cheaper one is for project very big quantity. So maybe they don't have higher grade requirement, so they can choose this one. About 10% discount lower than this one, than our patent model. Okay. You can compare it. Okay. You can compare these two. There are ball bearing bearing inside, but this one is without. It's not very smooth, but this one is very smooth. So you can choose. You can see this one is very smooth, and this one no bearing. So you can choose which one you like, the cheaper one and the competitive one. Okay, for our model, we have two different rollers. Different roller, yeah. Convex roller and concave roller. Yes, for these two roller, concave roller it's it fits very perfectly. Very perfectly. Yes. So the dust is difficult into the check. Both, but convex roller have 3 slots. It can be self-clean. Dust is takes the dust out the check during sliding. So both these two rollers. It's very smooth and durable. Okay, if you want samples or have some question, you can leave your message and I will explain to you. Hello. Okay, now we check the wide range application. For our sliding door, you can check it's perfect as partition door. No bottom check and no dust storage. No need to slotting at the ground. So it's very widely used on hospital or hotel. Your school office is okay. You can see it in the picture. Yes, this one is very hot selling in Southeast Asia and a very high-end market. If you like or want to be competitive in your market, you can choose this model or you can try it. If you want to sample to check, if you want to samples, please leave your message and we can check and arrange it for you. Now we show some picture about our packing and loading container. Okay, let my colleague show some picture to you. Hello. For our sliding door, it have 2 types to install it, about mount installed or side installed. This one is side installed. As you can see, this is shell cover and decoration cover. It's more beautiful. So if you prefer side installed or mount installed, you can tell us and we will make a correct quotation to you. Who wants samples, you can leave your message and my colleague Anna will reply you and tell you how to get samples.